Here we have an A1502 motherboard. This is for the 13-inch Retina MacBook Pro. This is an 820-3476 board. And let's take a look at what it's doing, how it's behaving, and see if we can make this thing work again. Okay, so this is taking 80 milliamps. 80 milliamps. And not turning on. Now this is interesting because typically when we have PM Sleep S4L missing, it's going to take 15 to 30 milliamps, and when we have a short to ground on PP Bus G3 Hot, it's going to be taking maybe 150 to 250 milliamps. When also power good is missing, we're usually taking 150 milliamps. So I'm not really sure. 80 milliamps and not turning on is a new one for me, and that's really the thing. So let's take a look over this board and see if there's anything obvious here. Someone says, you see how adblock hurts people like Lewis. Again, it doesn't. I wouldn't use the word hurt, because like the word hurt means they're like, oh, I'm suffering. It doesn't hurt me. It just it just causes me to make the choice to not do this as a profession. Like when you look at my backdrop, again, you look at it like a Linus video, polished, beautiful. You look at my background and it's like a fucked up wall with like a door to a circuit breaker panel that's like missing a thing over there. When you look at that, or like you look at the overhead cam and my overhead cam is not even straight. Like the reason I don't align this, the reason I don't care about all of this, the reason I don't go through effort to make the setup look beautiful is just because I realize that over 70% of my audience is using a plugin so that I don't make money. So like it doesn't hurt me. It just causes me to make the conscious decision that I am not going to put a stupid amount of effort in to make this stuff look all fancy schmancy like, let's say, Vice would have. Because they would have been making crazy amounts of ad revenue. You know, I'll post my videos to Vimeo. I will make sure that the content is available so people can learn. But in terms of making all the like fancy schmancy professional, or having or doing a stream at a special time when there's not going to be any distractions, or scripting it so that like if I go to wash a board in the ultrasonic cleaner, you're just not sitting here on hold for 20 minutes. Looks like a little bug's skin or something over there. What are you? Interesting. So the chip that you're looking at here that looks nasty, and the capacitor that looks nasty, is the chip that creates the RTC real-time clock signal, as well as one of the main power rails for the clock. So what we're going to do here is erase this part of the board. Much erasing to be done. if you need to buy a clock chip, you can buy it for the low price of $6.49. In stock, for same-day shipping. Spend more than $30 within the continental United States, and we'll even give you free shipping. Don't delay. Buy your chips from store.rossmangroup.com today. Now we're taking 40 milliamps. I just put the wrong chip there. Holy crap, I'm losing my goddamn mind. Good evening, I have a jazz suggestion. Takuya Kuroda's Rising Sun. I will check it out, thank you very much. Did I seriously put the wrong chip there? Oh my god, I did. I put an SMC reset chip there for clock signal. Holy crap. Oh my god, I'm becoming a franchise before my very eyes. I am becoming a franchise. Oh my god. I feel sick to my stomach right now. In addition to every other way I have failed in life, I just fixed the board the way that a franchise would. How do I even live with myself? Alright. It looks like we're taking an amp. Now, 600 milliamps. And we have a fan spin. This machine seemed to have an issue with its clock rail and its clock chip. We replaced it using a chip that we could buy on store.rossmangroup.com. And now the board is giving us a glorious fan spin. If that's not the best plug you've ever heard for store.rossmangroup.com, I'm not quite sure what is. If you want to watch these videos in better quality without advertisements, head over to boards.rossmangroup.com, where we list them by board issue or board number, where they're hosted by Vimeo with no advertisements and better quality. With that being said, let's move on to the next MacBook. Do you have a MacBook that needs to be fixed? Come by our store, which is open to the public at 186 First Avenue in Manhattan. Are you located outside of New York? No problem. Send us a machine from anywhere in the world by going to our website and clicking on the mailbox, or simply heading over to sendyourmacbook.com. That's sendyourmacbook.com, where you'll be redirected to our mail-in instructions page that includes the form and the directions on how to send us a MacBook for repair. We have a live chat where you can speak with us about the repair that you need, a phone number where a representative will pick up during our open hours, and a contact form where you